paint correction. We're going to do frontal self-healing pre-cut PPF. We're also going to do a ceramic coating over the whole car, detail the interior, as well as ceramic coat the seats. This car is very cool, I gotta say. There's a lot of hype about the new M4, about the grille. I think it looks stunning, especially in this black. These seats are super comfy and they hold you. The gearbox, everybody's talking about the gearbox. They ditched the DCT and went in favor of a normal torque converter ZF gearbox. I gotta tell you, it's very smooth, it's still super fast. I can't push this car, it's only got 200 kilometers on the clock, but just to give you a small idea, we're now in third. Just gonna drop it down to second. There we go. Still very fast, and I gotta tell you, this car is strong. It's still got a twin turbo straight 6 3 liter. It's 503 horsepower. I think 0 to 100 is about 3.9, they say. Yeah, no, this car you can feel it's very, very strong. With the infotainment system, there are two ways to control it, either from up here using your touchscreen, or from the bottom using your knob and the buttons. Let me show you something cool about the infotainment system. So you go to car, your M menu, and you've got an M drift analyzer. So this system shows how far you drift, the time you drift, and the angle that you drift, and then the car gives you a rating out of 5 stars how good your drift was. We're not going to try that today because it's not our car, but it's very cool. Moving down, everything in the middle covered in carbon fiber. It's got one feature that I feel every single car should have, and that is wireless charging. Then you've got a beautiful gear selector switch, and just to remind you, you're sitting in something special. You've got your M4 Competition logo right there. Moving to our instrument cluster, the new M4 has a full digital display. You have a beautiful leather covered M Performance steering wheel with your M Performance stitching, as well as covered in carbon fiber, with your M1 and M2 buttons where you can pre-configure all your settings. In this car at the moment, you press your M2 button twice, everything switches to Sport Plus, press it again to cancel. You've got beautiful carbon fiber shift pedals. On your left hand side you've got down, covered in dimples, so you can feel it's the downshifter. Then on your right hand side you've got your upshifter covered in pimples, so you know exactly always which one is which. Another cool feature, the seat belts have got beautiful M Performance stitching on them. We've got illuminated M4 badges in the headrests. This car, the interior is absolutely stunning, but enough fooling around, let's get this car in the shop.
I'm one of the detailers here at QJ's Detailing. Like, he is busy decontaminating the car with the clay bar. So basically it helps us with taking off the contaminants on top of the paint, and it makes polishing for us detailers a lot easier.
Alright, in the PPF bay, the film is loaded, the kit is ready. It's the first 2021 M4 that we're doing. We're going to apply PPF using our premium shield film. It comes with a lifetime warranty and it's self-healing. Let's get going. Cool, okay guys, this M4 competition came to the shop, it's done, the customer got it from BMW, he brought it to us, we did a one-stage correction to make the paint pop, get it perfect, we then did full frontal self-healing PPF using our plotting machine to make it almost invisible fit. After that, we did a Gyeon ceramic coating over the entire body of the car, we went inside, we did an interior detail, we applied our Gyeon leather shield to all the seats. The car is fully protected, ready to be enjoyed.